Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the must-have Android TV apps and services that you should be using on your Android TV or Selector Box. So this is my View TV connected to the TV2 dongle, and we are going to explore some great apps and services which will make your Android TV experience real better. And this would be similar for almost all devices. So let's start, shall we? So guys, this is my View television and the TV2 dongle, and I brought this 2 years ago. We have the video for the same, you can check that out. And this was a great deal. I got the TV2 dongle for 1000 bucks on Flipkart with purchasing the TV. The problem happened was that company shut down. So now you can see this is my Redmi Note 4 and this is the TV app, which never got updated since after I bought this device. And they promised 1080p, but this is still on 720p. And the apps is very buggy now. Like it has a lot of errors from connecting or buffering a movie. And it works just fine sometimes, and sometimes it doesn't work at all. And also you can see the content. So CID is the most popular content in India, and it takes so much time to load just to see this. I really got rubbish. Damn. That's the reason I actually rooted it. So you can see season 1 from 2013, and the content is from 2013 and 14, which is very old and useless for now. So that's why it is good that MeTV is coming with the Patchwell OS, which should be updated daily by Xiaomi. So the number one favorite app on my list is the C Display remote. Now, this is one of the best remote app for the smart TV. Of course, we have the Mi Remote app, which works just fine. So if you want to configure this, you can definitely use it. But there's a little bit of input lag. But C Display, it's simply fast. And probably with Mi Remote, everything is controlled by IR as well as Wi-Fi. But C Display connects to Wi-Fi only. So I keep both. Both are my favorite. And once you install the client on your TV, which is done by the app section in the Mi Remote. So first download the Mi Remote and try installing the app, that is the CTisplay server, and then install the CTisplay client on your phone. And then you're able to browse and install apps and change the launchers. So this is the CTisplay, and it works very nicely. Just click on the smart TV and connect to your TV. Now you can find the IP address here. Note down the IP address because this is going to be useful for the. So once you're done, you can clearly see it shows connected, and now you can press the home button. So once you press the home button, it will take to your default launcher. Now I have already installed the launcher, so that's why it's gonna take me there. And this is the second app on my list, which is the TV launcher. Man, this is a very good, simple, and elegant Android TV launcher that you should definitely try. So, and it works flawlessly with C Display. You can see there is no lag at all. It works just fine. Let's go to the section and click. There are various features like play on TV or app center. Let's go to the my app, and these apps I have installed on my TV, and you can slide load the same. Now probably you were thinking how I do that. So that is the next favorite app on my list, the must-have app. And after the TV launcher, that is the Fire to TV. So as you can see on my TV now, the CTisplay server is installed, and that's the reason I am able to control the remote. Now for that, this is the next app I'm talking about. This is the Fire 2 ST. Now this is designed for Fire Stick, but you can use with any Android TV. Once you connect it to the IP address that you noted in the CTisplay, just click on Setup. Just mention the IP address, click save, and you're connected. Now you can browse your inbuilt apps and even install from your a Play Store. So, for example, you install from a Play Store on your device, you can just click on the app and install, and that app will be transferred and installed directly to your TV. So let's launch the Play Store. So I was also able to install the Play Store from the ADB. So I actually rooted the dongle and then installed Google Play services. Now probably with your TV, it might be like pre-installed. The Play Store might be pre-installed, or there is some other app store. Then you can use that to find these apps like the launchers or the C display. For me, it is a tablet Play Store. It's not an Android TV Play Store. There was a trick in XDA that you can install the Play services and Play Store with ADB. And now this comes a new feature of C display that you can type keyboard directly from your phone. This is really handy if you don't want to use your remote to type in the letters and just swap from it. You can just type on your phone and then it will be displayed on the TV. So this is a very nice, and you can clearly see the TV launcher that I am using. Now there are many apps you can see for the launchers, but I found the TV launcher to be great because it comes with ads. It comes with ads, so you can remove ads, but it is really elegant, simple, and nothing is automatic. You have to customize it the way you want. And you can change the themes, you can change the background. So I prefer black background. It looks just nice. White is too saturated for me. And you can apply wallpapers, and there's a lot more customization. So this is a good launcher, and it is remote friendly. So if you have like Fire Stick, or maybe your Android TV has remote, without CT Spray you can actually use that launcher. Also you have cleaning RAM feature in the CT Spray remote. So these two apps actually work hand to hand and will give you great Android TV experience. The next is the App Center on the C Display remote. So in this way you can install app. And now my next app on the list is Redbox TV. Now, probably this is the alternative to the Geo TV because Geo TV actually was working on this device, but all of a sudden Geo just pushed on an update and it didn't work at all. Now, Red TV Box is alternative. It will able to stream the local televisions without set-top box. So if you have high-speed internet, you can stream full HD quality channels on your TV, like on your Android TV, and then you don't need cable connection. Of course, it is not that reliable that to remove the cable connection, but for me, I have the SD set-top box. It's not HD, but I'm able to watch HD channels on my Wi-Fi network. So let's go to the Indian channel list. And here you can use the D-pad in the C display remote. So like this is an actually a tablet app, so it will require a mouse, and you can use the C display. So let's go to the Indian, and you can see it is ad supported. So just cancel this ad. Don't click on any ads. Once you're done, you can clearly see the channel list. And on HD and non-HD channels are available. So let's click on the channel and it will load, and boom, there you have it. Full HD channel directly streaming on your TV, and it's crisp, clear. So that's my favorite app for streaming local Indian channels. Next app on the list, which is AirScreen. Now, probably your TV may come with Miracast. So Miracast is a way you can stream from your phone to your computer, but many selector box like mine doesn't come with the Miracast inbuilt. For example, the Mi TV comes with the Miracast, the Fire TV comes with Miracast, but my TV doesn't come with the Miracast. So if your Android TV or dongle is not with the Miracast, you can enable this simply with this app. Let's install it, start it, and now in any app, for example, I am using the Geo Music app. So let's go to Geo Music app or maybe YouTube app, and there, once you enable this, you will see an option to cast. If you see this option already, then you don't need to install this app. But for those who haven't used this or not able to find, you can just use this. You click to listen now and stream on the TV. Cast 2. Now you can see the cast. You can edit the name in the app itself. And once you stream, and then it would be on your television. Let me select a song. Let's select the first song itself, and boom, it's on a TV. Now it works flawlessly, but it is free for 30 minutes. For more, you need to pay, but definitely you can use all the Android TV apps on your TV. And for streaming some music from your phone, like hey, it's good, I want to listen on my TV, it gets the job done. And you can clearly see the Geo TV music is now streaming. The same app with YouTube app, and even you can use the Chromecast Google app. It will just work fine with the Miracast. So the next app on the list is the shoebox. So I use this to watch Hollywood movies. And this is not available on Play Store, neither on App Store. You have to download this APK from the APK mirror. And once you're done, you can enjoy movies. And maybe it's 720p or 1080p without downloading the streaming audio network. Of course, you need a very high speed internet connection for this. You can clearly see thumbnails aren't loading on my device. So Spider-Man Homecoming, and I can stream it easily. No problem. So let's scroll. The last app, like the second last app, is the YouTube TV app. Now, it might be again in your TV pre-installed, but it's not there. For example, the Me TV doesn't have the native YouTube TV app. It has the web app. So just install it. Even the Fire TV lost the support of this dedicated YouTube app. If you're not able to find this, just Google it, YouTube TV APK, and then you should find this APK and install on your TV. And this is the best YouTube TV app, I would say. It is keyboard, it is remote friendly. So if you have remote, it just works fine. It works fine. But even with the C display remote, it works fine. And the streaming quality is excellent, and you can go up to 1080p or even 4K depending upon your hardware. And again, this is miles ahead faster than the YouTube web app or even the YouTube phone app. So that's pretty much for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.